Hello and welcome to the V-Ray for SketchUp series. In this episode, we'll continue building our scene. In the previous episode, we got familiar with the capabilities of V-Ray Vision and we were able to add grass to our environment with just a few clicks. In this episode, we'll continue building our scene by scattering different types of vegetation in our exterior. Let's open the VFB and start an interactive render. If you look at our grass, you will notice that there is some diversity, but not enough. In nature, grass grows alongside other types of plants. To achieve a more natural look, we'll need to add more plants. Let's open the Chaos Cosmos browser and search for grass-like plants in the vegetation category. I think that these two field grass plants will fit perfectly. So let's import them into our scene. You can imagine how time-consuming it will be if we start copying and pasting these objects. Thanks to the scatter tool, we can randomly spread geometry to any surface we want with just a few clicks. All we need to do is select the object on which we want to scatter our plants and click here. In the Geometry tab, we can find the Scatter Geometry. When we select it, we can see all the different options for randomizations. These options can be tweaked based on your taste. I personally don't want to change anything. Let's first assign the plants to our scattered area. You can do so by selecting them from your scene and then adding them as guests. And just like that, we managed to create diversity in our grass. I personally think that the amount of plants is not enough, so let's increase the density. I think that looks much better now. How about you? The additional plants really changed the overall look and feel of the grass. This was the end of the exterior buildup of our scene. Thanks to the Chaos Cosmos browser, the V-Ray Fur and Scatter, we managed to create an exterior environment with ease. Join me in the next episode where we'll finish building our scene by furnishing the interior of the house. I hope you were able to find something useful and helpful that you can try in your own visualization. Thank you for being part of the V-Ray experience.